So it's now official. The greatest footballer of the modern era. Some say the greatest player ever. Lionel Andres Messi should be on his way to Jamaica with his Inter Miami teammates. We're hearing National Stadium. We're hearing Sabina Park. Thursday, March 13th. Time, 8 p.m. And of course, this is Jamaica, so things don't happen smoothly. And with the embarrassing fiasco over where the game will be played, the speculation is now rife as to whether Messi will or will not make the trip to Jamaica. But Lionel Messi coming to Jamaica is too big a deal not to happen. Cavalier deserves it. Jamaica deserves it. If it means engaging Inter Miami, CONCACAF, the Jamaican government, the Ministry of Sports, even the Ministry of Tourism. Let us give Lionel Messi the keys to the city of Kingston if necessary. Let us pull out all the stops. People, this is Messi. Surely, even Jamaica cannot mess this one up.